Hi children, welcome to Yaksharda Public School, Grade 3rd, EVS, topic birds, worksheet number 3, activity number 192. Children, today we are discussing the sub-concept of birds lesson through the mind map. The sub-concepts are types of birds, feet of birds, beaks of birds and their food, body parts of a bird. So, ready children? Activity number 1, study the mind map, answer the following questions. Birds live everywhere on the earth. Many kinds of birds live around us. There are 4 types of birds. Birds live on trees, for example, parrots, sparrow and crow. The birds live in water are called water birds, for example, duck, crane and seagull. Flying birds. Some birds such as kites, vultures spend a lot of their time flying in search of food. That's why we are calling those flying birds. Land birds. For example, emu, ostrich. Let's know about feet of birds. There are 5 types of feet of birds. Those are perching birds, swimming birds, flesh eating birds and wading birds, running birds. Let's know about perching birds. Many kinds of birds live on trees. They use their feet to move on the branches of trees for food. Their feet are shaped to grip the branches. For example, parrot and kingfisher's feet are perching birds. Let's know about swimming birds. The toes of water birds such as ducks and swans are joined by the soft and thin skin. Such kind of feet are called webbed feet. Flesh eating birds. Birds such as hawks and eagles have strong feet with the sharp claws. Wading birds. Wading birds are many kinds of birds feed on insects, frogs and fish living in shallow water. They have long slender legs with long toes. Their legs enable them to wade on soft and wet land. Running bird. Ostriches have strong and long legs. They have only 2 toes on each foot. Since ostriches cannot fly, the reduced number of toes helps them to run fast. Let's know about body parts of a bird. All birds have 2 eyes, 2 ears, 2 wings and a tail. Birds do not have external ears. They have 2 tiny spots covered with thin skin which help them to hear. The ears are located behind the eyes. Birds have tiny holes on the beak through which they breathe. They also breathe directly through their open beaks. Let's know about movement of wings. Those wings help them to upward direction and downward directions. Types of feathers. There are 3 types of feathers: body feathers, down feather and flight feather. Body feathers are small and stiff. They help them to shape to the body. Down feathers are small and fluffy. They keep the body warm. Flight feathers. Flight feathers are help them to fly. They are present on wings and tails. Let's move to beak of birds on their food. Hummingbird. Hummingbirds have long and straw-like beak. They feed on nectar. Pigeon. Pigeons have small and short. They mainly eat seeds. Parrots. Parrots have strong and curved beak. They eat fruits and seeds. Sparrow. Sparrows have small and short beak. They eat seeds and tender plants and insects. This is all about the birds. Children, I hope understood the entire topic through the mind map. Let's know about the question answers. Question number 1. Complete the concept map. Types of birds. I have given one example here. In the same way, you have to complete the concept maps. Types of feathers. Here also one example has been done for you, that is body feather. In the same way, you have to write the 2 more type of feather. Let's move to activity number 2. Look at pictures and write their shape of the beak and their food. Here 2 examples have been done for you. Eagle. Eagles have strong, sharp and hooked beak. They eat mice, rabbits and snakes. Parrot. Parrots have strong and curved beak. They eat fruits and seeds. In the same way, you have to identify the beak of bird and complete the table. Thank you.